5 seconds. Start. I should like now to make a few observations on the budget. This budget marks a turning point in the history of our country. It is no use attempting, as some as my friends have done, either to depreciate the budget very strongly or to suggest that we are not witnessing a new revolution in our methods of physical training and technique. I want it to be quite clearly pointed out to my friends that we are now facing the lean years of Indian finance. Hitherto, we had revenue surpluses, which were a form of public saving and which were meant to be utilized for capital development. Hereafter, this form of revenue surplus would not be able. We have therefore to find out ways and means of implementing our great program of national reconstruction at minimum cost. My point is that the deficit on revenue account would be of the order of about rupees 19 to 20 crores. Here, let me point out that I do not agree with those of my friends in the finance department who have attempted to suggest that rupees 9 or 18 crores, which are obtained from Pakistan, should be put to the revenue side of the budget.